Zoheri from Cairo University. I'm going to introduce the GMOs. So what are GMOs? Actually, it's a kind of organism which is genetically modified by altering its gene. Why we do something like that? Actually, a lot of people around the world face malnutrition and dying because of having small lands and many limiting factors. So, upon modification of the plant, you're going to have insect resistance, fungus, and virus resistance, and you will improve the growth and nutrition as you see here in the picture. But talking about the animals, we can work on many experimental researches and improve the growth and health as well. So, how can I perform something like that? Talking about plants, you are going to make a kind of a gene addition, or talking about the gene subtraction like a kind of inactivation. But when we talk about animals, you are going to insert the DNA in an embryo, then implant it in female. Is such things really beneficial? As you see here, the most common GMOs, corn, cotton, and soybeans, and the productivity that lead to a great profit. But I want you to see something. Check around, you'll find every single thing is a kind of a GM product, even shampoos and cosmetics. So is such thing as poisonous, or does it cause cancer? I don't know. But a lot of scientists have worked on many experiments, and we see that many of mice could develop ascites, as you see here. And I wanted to show you some of the most disastrous experiments, like trying to improve the milk productivity, but instead we get milk and pus. So frustrating. But let us check this kind of articles. We have more than 17,000 articles about the precautions and biosafety. So I'm now confusing. Is it a bad thing or a safe thing? So as you see, now we are fearing of the public fear, because people could have blindness instead of eating the golden rice that's enriched in the vitamin A. The solution is testing from a very trusted institution, and working on regulation from the EPA that work on the environmental safety, USAID that work on whether the plant is safe to be grown or not, and the last thing, FDA, is it safe to be eaten or not. The last thing, all of you, and me as well, have the right to know whether what I'm going to eat is a GM food or not. Last thing, I hope that the GM food is totally understood. Thank you so much.